Hey everyone, this is Andrew. Go to the indicators menu, find this one, and double-click on it. We should end up with two identical ones. Copy my settings and we'll get started. Our time frame is 2 minutes, same as the chart. I'll go look for a suitable pair for this strategy. Okay, found one. We're looking for when the candle crosses the boundary and is already within that range. If it's above, we click sell. If below, buy.